Hello guys, we're going to be learning how to create this amazing CSS menu. As you can see, we have some nice effects from the bottom to the top, and then some fading effects. Really nice. Let's start. First, we are going to create a div called menu. Then we are going to add some unordered list, one unordered list, then some items, list items, and then some links. The first one is going to be home, copy and paste, services, about us, media, the last one, contacts. Then we're gonna put this down and add here one div named services. We're gonna do the same here in contacts. Then we are gonna add a div with the class name of contacts. Okay, now we are going to create a new folder called CSS, and then a file inside that folder called styles.css. Then I'm going to add this CSS file here, link CSS styles.css. I'm linking to this file here. Open this. Now let's style body. I'm gonna say font size 14 pixels, font family I want it to be Arial, Helvetica, sans serif. The background I want a color ECF0 F1. Okay, let me review it. Okay, we have this. Maybe we should have something bigger. 16. Yeah, nice. Then we are gonna start our menu. Margin 80 pixels, 100 pixels. Then menu UL, margin 0 pixels, padding 0 pixels. Then menu UL, list items, and I'm gonna say I want this to float left. As you can see, they are now floating left. Then I want list style none and position relative. Let me preview again, and yeah, really nice. Now I wanna give some cool effect. I'm gonna menu UL over A. This means when I put my mouse over some list items, the list item is going to apply some effect and some style to the link. Okay, I'm gonna show you that. First I'm gonna add a background of 444, then the color FFF. Okay, as you can see, when my mouse is over this list items, it will style our links. Okay, let's continue. The next thing we have to make menu UL A. I'm gonna say I want a padding of 14 pixels and 40 pixels, and then text decoration none. I want this to display in block, and then I want the text to be aligned to the center. Now color of 666. Okay, I guess yep, that's it. That's what I want. Okay, next thing we need to do is to style our divs, and I'm gonna say services. I want it to have a width of something like 250 pixels and a width with a 150 pixels, a background of 444. Okay, let me see. And there is something wrong, I guess. Nope, nothing is wrong. Let me try compact width of with this 100 pixels and height of 300 pixels, the background of 444, and I want this. Let me try. Okay, there's something wrong about this. Services, maybe class services. Copy and paste it here. Let me see what's going on. What's going on? There's something wrong, and I don't know what it is. But I'm gonna pause the video and then I will. No, let me try. Maybe welcome, guys. I found the error. It was here. We need to set the height to 150 pixels. I'm sorry, guys. And now, yep, now we have this. One thing that you can see is this link, this button is much bigger than the other ones. So we need to put here a position of absolute and the same here, because as you can see, it is great now. As you can see, this button is not bigger than this one, and we have always to see and to be aware of this, because we have here an absolute position, and we, as you remember, we have here a relative position, so we are cool now. Next thing, I want this to have a right of 0. So as you can see, this space here, I'm gonna remove it. Oops. I'm gonna say I want the right to be 0 pixels. So as you can see now, we have it fixed. I'm gonna make this like 200 to look better. Okay, something like this, and this one a little bit bigger, like 300. I guess, yeah, something like this. Okay. Now I'm gonna say I want to display this to none, and I want to display this to none. Then I'm gonna say what? I'm gonna say I want my menu well lead over, and then I'm gonna apply some effects to this divs, and this one too. And let's apply some effects. I simply want to say I simply want to display this block. Let me see. Yep, they're hidden now. And when I have my mouse over this item, it will show the div here too. The next thing we are gonna add is some color here to our I'm gonna add the color to, let me think, I'm gonna add here color. I'm gonna open my browser. I'm gonna search for Google color. Gonna add color. I'm going to remove the opacity. Okay, I'm gonna choose the color, and the color I want is B9 before, something like this, before, and this one we want it to be CE. Okay, then I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it. Oops, there's no need to write that when you can do it. Okay, we have some nice browser, some nice menu, sorry. So now we want to add an animation to all divs. I'm gonna say I want WebKit animation. The name is gonna be go up. For instance, you can use whatever you want. 1 second. No. Yeah, it's 1 second. No, maybe 0.3 seconds, and easy in out. Okay, copy this. This is for Chrome, Opera, and Internet Explorer, I guess. I don't remember. Here again, and then we are gonna. This is just a fallback. No, this one, just a fallback. Then I'm gonna add a WebKit frames. Then the name of our animation. I'm gonna say from top 140 pixels, and the opacity is going to be 0, and then to top of 20, like 30 pixels, and opacity 1. Let me preview it. As you can see, a really nice effect, really nice box effect. And then here we can add whatever we want. We can have here some items, services, then some flowering option, okay, something like that. And you can change the name, give some padding, whatever you want. If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye.